Hot Wheels Mclaren F1. The Hot Wheels Mclaren F1 was released in 2024. Let's open the car. The color of the car is Grand Prix Red, and it has wire-spoked wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and Mclaren badge. On the back, it has detailed trim and taillights and Mclaren F1 badge. Smoke window tint. Metal flake gray plastic base. Hot Wheels 91 Mazda MX-5 Miatta. The Hot Wheels 91 Mazda MX-5 Miatta was released in 2024. Let's open the car. The color of the car is yellow, and it has chrome lip, black PR5 wheels. On the front, it has turn signals. On the side, it has black and silver stripe with ATN, MX-5, and Hot Wheels logo. On the back, it has detailed tail lights with Hot Wheels logo on license plate. Smoke window tint. Black plastic base. Hot Wheels Pagani Utopia. The Hot Wheels Pagani Utopia was released in 2025. Let's open the card. The color of the car is blue Francia, and it has gold 10-spoke wheels. On the front, it has Pagani emblem and detailed headlights. On the side, it has silver trim and Horatio Pagani signature. On the back, it has Utopia smoke window tint. black plastic base. Hot Wheels Gordon Murray Automotive T33. The Hot Wheels Gordon Murray Automotive T33 was released in 2025.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is light teal, and it has PR5 wheels. On the front, it has GMA logo and detailed headlights. On the back, it has GMA license plate, T33 logo, and tail lights. Smoke window tint. Seafoam plastic base.